Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day, and I want to give you my tip of the day. This is going to be a short video, but I received an email today that GoPro has a new camera. I had no idea, but this one is specifically for those that have the FPV drone. It's called the HER010 Black Bones. It's $549.98, which is expensive, or you can go with the GoPro 1-year subscription and save $150, so it'll be $399.98. I will be sure to put a link in the description down below where you can check it out. Did see the promotional video. Looks very, very slick, and I was reading some of the comments as well. People seem to be really excited that GoPro finally has a camera like this, and then some people said, wow, that's expensive. Weight-wise, it weighs 54 grams, so it seems like it's a real lightweight camera to work well with your FPV drone. Definitely looks slick and includes Ready plus Real Steady to help stabilize that video, which looks really slick how they do that. And there you go. So again, I just wanted to share this video with you if you were not aware that this drone came out. And again, you can click on the link where you can get more information about this new camera that GoPro has out. Look at that shot. That is that's very slick. 19.6 megapixel photo from 5K, and multiple ways to control the camera, onboard buttons, quick app, the remote, QR codes to your drone transmitter. There you go. So check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Try and answer those, but certainly wanted to put out this video for those that might be interested in getting this ordered for your FPV drone. All right, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Take care.